To fix the Snapchat error, due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. You can try the following steps. 1. Wait for the temporary lockout to expire. The duration of the lockout can vary, but it is typically 24 hours. 2. Reset your Snapchat password. To do this, go to the Snapchat login page and click on Forgot Your Password. Then, enter your email address or phone number and follow the instructions to reset your password. 3. Try logging in from a different device. If you are still unable to log in, try logging in from a different device, such as a friend's phone or a computer. 4. Contact Snapchat support. If you have tried all of the above steps and you are still unable to log in, contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Here are some additional troubleshooting tips. Make sure that you are entering your username and password correctly. Try logging in during different times of day. Snapchat may be experiencing a higher volume of traffic at certain times of day, which could be causing the problem. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Try logging in from a different network. If you are using a Wi-Fi network, try logging in from a cellular network, or vice versa, if you are still unable to log in after trying all of the above steps. Please contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.